light more. More. Because it's going to come out dark. Yeah. Go more to the right. Get a light spotlight. Yeah. Right.
Oh, Tito, it's okay, Squirt. You smell more stuff in there?
Right there. That's good. Yeah.
My speech to the nation.
Marx is
Speech to the
enjoying
public.
himself. He's in a chicken dance.
National speech.
He's-
I call it national speech. National speech. I'm going to do the chicken dance now. Fool me once. Shame on you.
Great job.
Good job.